Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and it's been a long time since we've talked about it. And at first, it was kind of a joke when Microsoft introduced Clipchamp to Windows. It was very limited. You couldn't do HD content without paying. It was clearly not a good idea at first. People were used to the good old Movie Maker, which was, decent and did a decent job, and a lot of people liked it. Unfortunately, Movie Maker disappeared at some point, and we were wondering what was going to happen. Well, Clipchamp has arrived a long time ago, and we talked about it when it was brand new. But I have to admit now that Clipchamp has evolved into something quite amazing. From being this, ridiculous thing that you had to pay to use and to do things, to now a very usable piece of software, very easy to operate to, which is very cool, and added content over time. They've just made an update that improves this even more. So you can actually use this for free and do a decent job at all sorts of video creation projects. So from what was a almost a joke as piece of software, we've now got into something that's really neat, and I think that this is really what this is all about. And I think Clipchamp is now something that should be looked at if you're looking into video creation. It's part of Windows 11, and honestly, it does very nice job. Does a very nice job at what it needs to do. You can import your favorite videos. You can even take videos so you can record and create at the same time, and just add layers and effects and fades and all sorts of things to it. So definitely, Clipchamp is something that totally is now very usable. It's part of Windows 11, like I said, so if you are looking for it, just search for Clipchamp, and it's going to tell you here, Microsoft Clipchamp. And if you need more advanced projects, then there's a paid subscription for much more advanced content. And apparently there's going to be a business version of it coming in a couple of months. So I think Microsoft has, first of all, understood that people don't want to pay for basic creation, which was a little dumb, honestly. But now that they've understood that and they made a usable and easy to use piece of software, I think it's pretty cool. When you think about it, what they have finally achieved with Clipchamp. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.